Hi guys, is Raymond from Zimbabwe and I'm Shirani from Pakistan. You can see Raymond's bed is very clean. Now we move to my bed. Oh my god! And you see my table. I just finished my term paper last night. I didn't sleep for the whole night. You can see. Yes. Yes. So I'm responsible for all this mess. Oh, my underwear. Oh my god. Oh no. So you can see. And here we go. No, it's quite normal. Yeah. Hi. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Here's our shower. Yep. Yep. Yes. Yes. So guys, coming in 2012, we warmly welcome you. Will not be here, but our best wishes are with you. Thank you.